What's good, guys? It's your boy Lamar
and Lucy,
back with another
experiment. Today we're doing the pasta rocket. So basically what you need is a glass with like a hole, like a metal hole, and you need like ziti noodles, and you need
peroxide and your lighter, boy.
Yeah, you need lighters.
And also dry
Yeast.
Can't forget your yeast.
Yep.
So basically how this works is you need to fill it. You wanna fill it?
Yeah, you need to fill this glass with peroxide.
Not fill, about 75% of it.
Oh, ready.
Then you get a tablespoon of yeast. But we savages out here, so we're gonna see if we can let it explode. We're gonna use all of it.
Let me use all of it. How about this? Okay, that's good.
Wait.
Okay, it's bubbling a little bit.
It should be bubbling.
So what we're gonna do is put the lid on.
Not yet, when it's bubbling. Where the bubbles at? Nothing.
Experiment gone wrong. Oh, it's bubbling now.
Move it up. Okay, put on it.
You put the noodle right here.
And then you light it. No, let's light it first. Well, I think we messed up.
Put too much yeast.
I don't think it's too much yeast because it's supposed to be.
It's alive. See, maybe that's why. Why would you do it? I'm gonna put my face near it.
Boom!
That was burn my finger. Yeah, kids, don't try this at home because we're cooking the noodle.
Let's try another noodle. Maybe it's the noodle.
Don't blame the noodle. Basic.
Wait, let me get a spoon. And like it. Let's see if that's the kick it needs. Light it. I think we put too much yeast.
Yeah.
We might have to try it again.
Epic fail. Yeah.
Wait, I think we could save that.
Yeah. Oh. So guys,
Do it!
that's the rocket ship.
It's alive! It's
I
alive!
don't know if it's
Wait.
exploded. Alright, we're gonna try another experiment with it. Let's see if...
It's already gone wrong, so.
Yeah. So look at this. You see this mess? He's stepping back.
When you create a bomb.
Oh, I thought it was making a noise.
Put some cornstarch.
Put the other stuff.
Can you hear that?
Yeah.
That's crazy. So we failed the experiment and created a bomb. Let's see if it's glow in the dark. Turn off the light.
Okay, since we're two. Okay, so new experiment, volcano.
Yeah.
Ready? Thanks for watching, guys. As you can see,
It was an epic fail.
basically. So yeah.
I mean, it was a fail, but at least we created something else.
Yeah, it was fun. So please like and subscribe and comment in our video, and let's get this video to 100 likes. I'm sorry. Well, bye. This is Lucy.
And Lamar.
Peace.